I really want more people to own their own business. There's so many amazing tools out there. Like, it's easier than ever to take an idea, take that light bulb in your head and take it from an idea to an actual physical product or business. So in today's video, I am taking an idea that I've had for quite some time and I'm turning it into a real business in 7 days time. So excited. And thanks to HoneyBook for sponsoring today's video. If you use my link in the description, you will get a free trial, but more on that later. Step one, coming up with an idea. Yes, this is my idea notebook. If you don't have an idea, what you wanna do is you wanna start off with what are the high level ideas out there. One, you could have a physical product. Two, you could own a physical location. Three, you could sell your skill set. So one side hustle I used to have was photography sessions. I had a package where for $200, we would meet somewhere in Seattle where you wanna take photos for 1 hour and I would get professional photos for you. By no means am I a professional photographer, but I had enough of a skill for it where I was able to sell this package and have this side hustle. So those are like the main three that I can think of. If you have no idea what you want to do, you're gonna need to start with some soul searching. You might need to travel a little bit. You might need to get some hobbies or try some new things. My business idea that I am going to do is create a consulting coaching business. This is going to be specifically for real estate agents to get better at social media. So I'm offering basically my skill set through a consulting business. So in 7 days, I need to take that, turn it into a physical product of some sort, market it, come up with pricing, and my goal is I would like to onboard 20 clients for my first month in business. Let's go. Once you have your idea, the next thing that you're gonna wanna do is a photo shoot. Today's photo shoot is a very big deal because the last time I did a photo shoot was over 3 years ago, and those photos I see every single day of my life. So I wanna make sure I like how I look. I'm gonna get some props, get my outfits all planned. I'm putting a lot of effort into this, way more than I typically would, for sure. If you're selling a product, of course you're gonna get photos of your product, but you're also gonna wanna get updated photos of yourself because sometimes, in my case especially, I am a part of the product. Whether this is the case or not, having really great photos of yourself is also gonna be important for telling your brand story. When I really think about it, all of my favorite brands, I know who is behind the brand, what their ethics are, what their passions are. So once you have your idea, book that photo shoot and get a bunch of photos. Okay, it's the next day. I'm so excited. I'm just getting a preview of the photo shoot yesterday, and oh my god, I love these photos so much. Okay, now that I have the photos, I have no more excuses. I literally have everything that I need to create this business. So today's focus is going to be on creating the website, the intake forms, the invoicing forms, the scheduling system, and email templates. For my business, I'm going to run it through honeybook.com. If you're a freelancer, you own your own business, any of that stuff, it is going to be your best friend. I've been using HoneyBook for years. Actually, fun fact, I found it through another freelancer. As a YouTuber, I've used HoneyBook for years, typically for contracts and invoices. But now for my coaching business, I'm gonna be utilizing literally every tool they have, including the proposals, contracts, scheduling, payments, and invoices. All right, like 3 hours have gone by and I'm still on task number 3, which is working on the website. So I actually spent 2 full days working on the website and getting all of the systems in place. If you don't want to spend that much time, you can actually hire someone on HoneyBook to make it for you. I just had a lot of fun making the website, and it was a good way for me to also explore my business a little bit more, explain and articulate what I'm really offering in these calls, and it helped me brainstorm more and more ideas. So it was a great exercise just making the website in general. So here's what I did today. I was literally on my computer like all day. Exciting stuff. First, I posted. Today was the hype up day. I posted this photo and I said, I have an exciting announcement this week. So now people know to look out for something. They're very excited. I have 2 announcements this week. The first one is about my real estate business and how me and Jason are now working together. And I actually put together a website for that. Like, I did it all my own. I'll show you. So here's our little landing page. I added some YouTube videos, of course, recently sold properties, video consultation page, about me, about Jason, about us, and then some frequently asked questions. I had been really wanting to do this, but I didn't actually know how. So you can click to book a video consultation with me, and this is powered through HoneyBook. It's so cool. They can just schedule their Zoom call and I can just go to the video call from here and the client gets it shot out to them too. So here's how the coaching website's looking. So I would like to get the website all finished today. I mean, I have to. Then we're ready to go. Now let's talk about pricing your product, or in my case, my product. First, I want to use an example. These pillows. These pillows cost me $250 per pillow. They're pretty expensive, but I bought them, other people buy them. How did the business owner know to price them like that? I'm gonna look up really quick handmade pillows, and they do range anywhere from $50 up to, I'm seeing $500. So that told her at least there's a market for people that will buy a luxury handmade pillow for $250. With whatever product you have to figure out the balance between what you think you're worth and what there is a market for and what people are willing to pay. For me, with coaching, I'm looking up how much is a real estate coach. What I'm seeing from the most popular coach out there, they charge $750 a month for 2 30-minute coaching sessions, effectively $750 an hour. So I know in my market, a lot of people are going to be willing to pay a range from about $400 to $1,000 a month. So this is where I'm gonna take into account what I feel my time is worth. $500 per session. That actually, I really do feel like is right about where my coaching is worth. So that is what I'm gonna try for my pricing. Let's see if it sticks. Ultimately, I really do feel like that's what I'm worth. And now let's get into marketing. I knew I wanted to create this business. So a couple of months ago, I actually took my real estate Instagram and I started switching up the content. Rather than posting house tours and things that would gain me buyer and seller clients, I started targeting content that real estate agents would like, because those are gonna be my clients. So some posts like I started doing was just like a day in the life as a realtor, relatable realtor things. So I need to actually film some more content. I'm just gonna pick an idea here. Do I have anything good? Oh, okay. Things that made me a better realtor. Okay. One thing I will say, I am not good at batching content. I just kind of will make one thing at a time. I make one post and I'm like, that was a day. The number one thing that has made me such a better real estate agent is having a nightmare client. So how did this make me better? Well, the most important thing here is you have to keep your ideal client in mind. And this is actually something I see real estate agents do. Real estate agents will post on their social media posts that actually are only interesting to other real estate agents when they're trying to attract buyers and sellers. Keep in mind who your ideal client is, and then start brainstorming the content that's A, going to be entertaining for them, and B, going to be informative. Don't push your product down their throat just yet. Put up entertaining content first. So that's what I have been doing for the last couple of months. If you suck at social media, my coaching is down below. Get my coaching. I will help you with social media for your business. With these online products, it can be hard to get someone to book. So the last thing I wanted to do was a little bit of an intro promotion. So I came up with the idea that the first 20 people to book would get 25% off their sessions forever. So rather than $500 a month, they get $375 a month. Good morning. Okay, day before coaching goes live tomorrow, and it's not ready. I have a lot to do today. First, I did just post the first announcement of me and Jason working together, and I'm like shaking. I was so nervous. I was so nervous that for some reason I would get negative feedback of some sort. Everyone's being so nice, and like it's getting like a lot of likes, like a lot of traction. I'm so surprised. I didn't expect that I'd get so many like comments. Okay, I am filming the marketing video for my coaching. Well, it's just gonna go on the website. I want to show you this setup. So I'm talking on this, but I'll also film it on the computer because I want it to look like the quality that you'll see me on our coaching calls. Hi everyone, I am Monica Church, your coach, and I wanted to pop on here and explain a little bit more about my program. So here's how it all works. I made the website on a website hosting site. So I didn't do that on HoneyBook. I just found a pre-made template, put my stuff in, customized it a little bit, and then what I did was I linked up the Book Now buttons to HoneyBook because that's where I actually manage all of my client files. Not bad for someone that really doesn't have any experience creating websites and doesn't do like any graphic design. It's seriously so simple. It's just this one page and there's 2 clickable links. You send in your inquiry comes in, I'm able to look really quick, you're just making some content and I know how to help you. Then from there, what's really nice is I can send a personalized booking page for them to finish the booking. That's basically how the whole thing works. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys. I've been still working on everything all day, finalizing everything, and I've been teasing on social media what's coming out tomorrow, and I'm really excited because I had someone just reach out. So this person was like, oh my gosh, like sign me up, like how much is it? Like I want to make sure I get a spot and like it doesn't book up. And so I think I'm actually gonna get my first sign up tonight before I even launch it. Like I'm gonna send him the link if he just wants to sign up. And oh my God, like I'm so excited. All of a sudden, like all the like scariness I had is melting away because yeah, I got like so nervous. Like, oh, is no one gonna book it? I'm excited to help people. Let's do this coaching, let's do it. Good morning. Today is the day that I am launching my coaching and I'm so excited because I really actually feel it is ready. I'm about to post. I am nervous. I am nervous. I don't expect like a ton of people to convert immediately today. I have that expectation. I don't expect that because it is asking a lot of money and I feel like it's gonna take a little bit of warming up for people. I'm nervous. Okay. I'm about to post. Let's do this. Update, I have had this post live for 7 minutes now and I got my second inquiry. It only took 7 minutes. Oh my gosh, I just got another inquiry. I have 3 clients now. And I literally just got another. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm getting ready for the day. I'm actually going home today. I'm in Palm Springs still, but going back to Seattle. My post has now been live for an hour. And guess how many clients I have? 16! 16! I am like, I wanna cry. Update, the post has been up for like 3 hours now and I'm officially at 22 bookings. So, yay! Now the real work begins though because basically I need to prep every single call. Good morning, you guys. Today is coaching call day. So I have my first coaching call in 6 minutes. I think I'm gonna hop on the Zoom early. I have notes for her that I'll like refer to, bullet points, but I also have a bit of a presentation for her on like the big things that she could work on. All right, it's 8:30, here we go. Getting started. I just finished the coaching call. It went really well, I think. Okay guys, I am officially a week post-launch and I wanted to give you one last update on the business because yesterday I actually had my first full day of coaching calls. I had 4 coaching calls. It was a pretty long day, but I absolutely loved it. I'm also in Hawaii and one of my goals with this business was be able to start something that I can control and work from anywhere, and it was just such a cool feeling to actually get that done. I'll also show you really quick internally what my business is now looking like. So this is the HoneyBook system and I can show you right here is all of my projects. I have 31 active projects, which means all of the people that have inquired. If we head into the calendar, you can see I don't have any calls today. Today's an off day, but yesterday, check that out, I had 4 calls. I'm all pretty booked up for March and doing well there. I wanted to make it so all my calls were only once a week, but to start and as I'm getting the hang of things, I'm just opening up my schedule a little bit more. So here in reports, you can see, as I said, I've had, I guess, 32 inquiries and 19 people booked. So I can kind of work on that. And here you can see so far my total income. So with all my bookings on the calendar, once I've actually done all of the work and taken the calls, I will make this month $6,986 for my first month as a coach. And my goal from there is to make my systems even more efficient to the point where I can take on more calls and get to where I'm making $10,000 a month from coaching. This is something where I want it to take about 20 to 25% of my time because I have other things I do too. Of course, I sell real estate, I do my own social media. So it's gonna be like a quarter of my time sort of gig, but I love it. I'm so passionate about it. I'm having so much fun with it. So let me know in the comments if you guys want like a 3-month or 6-month update on this business and how it's going and how I continue to grow it. Otherwise, thanks for watching. If you wanna start your own small business, definitely check out Honeybook. Link below for your free trial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.